The present simple tense is an important part of English grammar and is used to describe daily routines and habits. In this video, we will look at how the present simple tense is used to describe habits and routines that occur regularly. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how the present simple tense is used to describe daily routines.
Do you have an easy lifestyle?
Not at all. I get up at the crack of dawn to be on time for work. And get home at 8 o'clock at the earliest.
What do you do first in the morning?
First I do some exercises, you know. I find it too helpful for my health. Then, I take a quick shower. Next, I have a big healthy breakfast like cereal, eggs, buttered toast, and milk while reading the newspaper headlines.
Eggs. I love eggs. Especially soft-boiled ones.
I am like that myself. It makes my mouth water.
Anyway, what time do you leave home?
Usually by 7 o'clock.
How do you get to work?
I always take a train to work. My commute to work takes around 2 hours.
What are the working hours?
It starts at 8 o'clock till 6 p.m.
Long working hours. Doesn't it?
Yeah, long working hours and so many different responsibilities. I am continuously on the go during these hours. I take a lunch break around midday, but, luckily, we have a stimulating working environment. All my colleagues are excellent team players. I love my job with my heart, so time passes quickly.
As far as I understand, it's a demanding job with heavy workloads. It doesn't appeal to me at all. I want to be my own boss. I don't want to have a 9-to-5 job.
Different strokes for different folks. It's essential to have job satisfaction.
An easy lifestyle. An easy lifestyle is a way of living that is relaxed and stress-free, with minimal effort and maximum enjoyment. At the crack of dawn, at the very beginning of the day, when the sun is just beginning to rise. I am like that myself. I have similar qualities or characteristics as someone else. It makes my mouth water. So delicious or appealing that it makes your mouth water in anticipation. I am continuously on the go during these hours. I am constantly busy or active during a certain period of time. A stimulating working environment. A workplace that encourages creativity and productivity. Team players. Team players are people who work well with others, collaborate effectively, and are committed to achieving a common goal. I love my job with my heart. I have a strong emotional attachment to your job and you are passionate about it. A demanding job with heavy workloads. The job requires a lot of effort and time, and there is a lot of work to be done. It doesn't appeal to me at all. It does not interest or attract you in any way. To have a 9-to-5 job. To have a job that requires you to work regular hours, usually from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Different strokes for different folks. Everyone has different preferences and opinions, and what works for one person may not work for another.
Don't forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel, like, and share our videos.